You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 10,200,000. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 0 plus 0, equals 0. 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 7 plus 1 plus 2, equals 10. Carry 1 to the hundred thousands place. 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8, equals 12. Carry 1 to the millions place. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1, equals 10. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. Write 1 in the 10 millions place, and so the final result is 10,200,000.